Beautiful day outside. In the middle of the empty parking lot. Here with the homie Tony.
That's right.
What the fuck is that? What the fuck is this? Hey, yo, back up. I don't know him. Yo, back up.
Chris.
Oh shit, it's Chris. Hey, yo.
What's up,
Hey, yo,
Chris?
what y'all doing here? Where you been at? I haven't seen you in forever, dog. This quarantine got us effed up.
What are y'all doing here?
We just chill, bro.
Since y'all here, got my car, right? Let me go ahead and show you what I got inside my car. All right, so to start off, we're gonna go ahead and start on this side. I don't have much on this side, but I always keep myself little trees right here. Black ice, because if it ain't black ice, it ain't nice. Remember that, guys. Anyways, that's pretty much all I keep on this side. But let's go ahead and go on the other side, and then we'll show you the rest. All right, so now that you can see a little bit more of the car, I'm gonna go ahead and show you. So one thing I always keep, pack of gum, because you never know when you need to smell good for the ladies, for the men. I don't judge. I keep this thing here. Funny story. This is my job. I brought it in here one day. Haven't taken it out. One day I'll take it out. Today's just not that day. Let's see what else. I keep this little thing that you put on your graduation gown. Not gown, but cap. When you graduate, the thing you use from one side to the other. I don't know why. I saw somebody do this a very, very long time ago, and I said when I get a car, I'm gonna do that, and I did it. Yeah. Let's see. In here, I have a cup holder. I have a mask, gloves right now because at the time of this recording, quarantine. I got a napkin because I got in here. I got some trash, and I got my name tags for work. So then we open this up. It's kind of messy right now. So I got my pay stubs from work. I got razors because I literally went to the store before I recorded this. So there's that. I keep my glasses case with an extra pair of glasses, but these glasses are broken. But you never know when you need them. I'd rather be safe than sorry. Let's see what else I have. I have this thing for a phone holder, but I don't use it. I don't know why I have that. Let me go ahead and take this out just to make it easier. I have a pen. Let's see. Oh, I have my thing for my wheels, my lugs. I have an aux cord, but I have Bluetooth. And then one other thing that I have in here is the greatest CD. I'm just kidding. It's not the greatest CD, but it's a pretty fire album. This is the only album that I own in CD. I don't even know if it's in yet. It's in here. If y'all haven't heard this, y'all should listen to it. Yeah, now this, and then this for when you get dust in your eyes. Let's go in the back. So normally I don't keep anything in the back, but today is a special day for y'all. So I have this vest also for work. I'm supposed to wear it, but between you and I don't wear it. Anyways, I don't normally keep this in there. It's my MacBook. But today, just in case I run out of space, I need somewhere to put it while recording my videos. So I had to bring this. I have, this actually is supposed to be in the glove, or not the glove compartment, but the center console. I don't know what is doing back here, but it's my phone cup holder for the windshield. There's that. I have lotion because you know why I need lotion. And some deodorant. Oh, and another tripod, but that's pretty much all I have in the back. Now let's go to the trunk. Alright, so normally I don't keep anything inside my trunk, but since it's a video of what's inside my car, I'll go ahead and show y'all what I have. So, never mind. Alright, so I don't really carry anything in my trunk, but what I do usually carry are a couple microfibers for when I wash my car, and this glass cleaner that's running out. And yeah, that's basically it, what I have in the trunk, other than my spare tire. But yeah, that's basically all I keep inside of my car. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to leave a like, comment down below what you keep inside of your car. And yeah, until the next video, see y'all then.